All right, we're cutting across to breaking news that's coming in. These are images on your screens of the police entering a metro station in Kolkata after BJP workers who were protesting entered this metro station. This is a women's BJP protest and agitation in Salt Lake of Kolkata, and now police officials have entered into the metro station. Anirban is joining us live with more updates. Anirban, it's over to you.
Ma'am, do you have jurisdiction to enter metro station? स्टेशन में jurisdiction see, well, you can see there's a high drama image, the high drama visuals from Kolkata, Salt Lake, as we have seen that the Bidhannagar Police Commissionerate Police has entered the metro station inside the gate, inside the gate, and right now they have entered the place to detain the BJP women karyakartas as they are going to Women Commission office, the State Women Commission office. And right now we can see the high drama image. The police has entered the metro station, inside the metro station, just beside the of the Kolkata Metro, Salt Lake Metro. And here they have detained 2-3 protesters from inside the metro station of Karunamai, Salt Lake. We have already asked the officers that do you have jurisdiction to enter the metro station? But they have entered, and all the common people also entered with them. And this is the high drama image that is coming in from Kolkata. Shataki is showing you that 3-4 BJP women karyakartas has been detained by the police. They have been taken to police station as they were going to the State Women Commission office. And right now the police has already entered. And there you can see the media is asking. Well, the officer is not answering anything. The officer is not answering anything about it.
Can you please brief?
21 days after the Archikor incident has happened in Kolkata, we have seen many protests, we have seen political parties rallies, we have seen doctors protesting in Kolkata, and right now police is not answering anything. They have entered to detain 2-3 people, 2-3 BJP karyakartas. 2-3 karyakartas.
यहाँ पर अधिकारी आते तो आप उनसे बात कर सकते हैं।
यहाँ देखिए पुलिस के अधिकारी जो अंदर गई थी, उनका कहना है कि हमें एक सूचना मिली थी कि अंदर कोई है।
Of BJP had detained from the Nico Park area of Salt Lake.
तो मैम आपका कोऑर्डिनेशन हुआ होगा रेलवे पुलिस के साथ भी। मैम अभी आप ड्यूटी पे है ना, तो मैंने उनसे कोऑर्डिनेट किया होगा।
Okay, live images on your screens there from a metro station, the Salt Lake metro station in Kolkata, where the police actually entered the station. Remember, the cops don't have jurisdiction in a metro station, and yet they went in, detained BJP women workers and these were workers who were attempting to make their way to the Women's Commission. They're refusing to speak to the media right now, but we are getting you reports from the ground showing you the chaos that played out as you had a group of police officers entering into the metro station and detaining several of these women protesters. Now, were they protesting in the metro station? Why were these women, detained from in the metro station is a big question. And also about the police jurisdiction to actually enter metro station and take people into custody. But you can see these images on your screen of the cops, many of them with helmets on, riot gear on, stormed into the metro station and have detained a handful of BJP workers, women workers from the metro station. They're now being taken to a nearby police station. There are questions being asked right now of why the cops resorted to this kind of activity in the metro station where they have no jurisdiction. But you see them entering there in all of their gear, going ahead and taking all these women into custody. Allegedly, these women protesters were trying to head to the State Women Council, and they attempted to do it via the metro station because on the roads they were being detained. They then went into the metro station, which is why the cops followed them in there and took most of them into custody as well. So drama playing out during the BJP protest that was scheduled to take place in Salt Lake, which was called off essentially because everyone who gathered was almost immediately detained. Permission wasn't granted for the same by the Kolkata police, who cited law and order, and now they're in the metro station detaining all of these BJP workers. Anirban is back with us with those updates. Anirban, there will be questions first of how the cops entered that metro station, whether they have the jurisdiction to actually do so, and what prompted them to do that. Were there protests happening in the metro station?
Excuse me.
There is no protest happening inside the metro station, but they have a news that some people, the BJP Karyakartas, the women Karyakartas, has assembled inside the metro station of the Karunamai, and after getting that news, they have gone to metro station with the full force, and after that, they tried detaining 2-3 people from there, but after asking the question from them, they were not answering anything, but they have got the news and they have entered.
Allow us to do our job.
Have you got anyone from inside? Have you got anyone from inside? Have you?
Almost. Allow me to do my job, please. I request. Allow me to do my job. We are on duty. Allow me to do my job. Thank you. Thank you. Allow me to do my job, sir. Allow me to do my job. I'm doing my job.
Sir, any gathering inside?
Please allow me to do my job. Thank you. Thank you. Allow me to do my job, sir. Please. Thank you. Sir, madam, allow me.
Well, the cops are saying that allow us to do our job, and right now the protesters tried assembling inside, and right now this is speaking.
Thank you.
And did you manage to get anyone, apprehend anyone?
Senior sir will beat everything. Okay, please. Sir, সব beat করে দেবে. Please. Senior will beat. We are just doing our job. Senior will beat. Thank you.
Thank you.
Well, you can see the police is only saying that allow us to do our job, and right now the high drama visuals outside the Karunamai metro station. As police entered the Karunamai metro station, they are there to catch few BJP Karyakartas, those who were in the protest in the Abhiyan of State Women Commission. And right now, in Salt Lake, the BJP Karyakartas tried to go to State Women Commission office.
That's all. Please. Let us do our job. Superior will brief about every step. Please. Thank you.
Well, so this is the high drama visuals we have seen as after the Ajikor incident. This is the 21st day, and the BJP tried protesting outside the State Women Commission office, but police stopped them, police detained them from the various places of Salt Lake, and right now there is a high drama just in the Karunamai metro station.
All right, so multiple detentions from the metro station there. Anirban reporting live. You saw the police officials refusing to speak right now to the media, saying we're just doing our job. We're detaining all of the protesters there from inside the metro station. No clarity just yet. And Anirban, can you confirm that for us? Was there any protest happening inside the metro station? Why did the cops actually chase down these women protesters in the metro station despite having no jurisdiction? Was there violence that had broken out that had, prompted them to push through and enter the metro station?
No, there is no violence, there is no protest inside the metro station. Just 2-3 people from the BJP Karyakartas, those who are protesting, and they have gone there to catch them. After now, they are saying that they have not detained anyone from there. And as we all know, that this Karunamai metro station joins another metro station, which is adjacent to that Bengal Women Commission office. And that's why they have tried stopping them. And right now they're saying that let us do our job.
Yeah, so that kind of explains to you why these officials entered and stopped the protesters, because they were going to board a train and make it to the next metro station, which is closest to the State Women Commission, and thereby continue with the agitation. Permission wasn't granted for the same. There's high security along the State Women Commission. All the BJP workers who were on the road were immediately detained and weren't allowed to go anywhere close to the Women Commission. The attempt by some of them was to actually take the metro train and go as close as they can to the State Women Commission, which is what prompted this crackdown by the authorities, who entered the metro station and then took all of them into custody. We're not sure just yet if they were detained, but they were moved out of the metro station. The cops refusing to speak to the media right now. But what we're seeing essentially, Anirban, is a crackdown on this protest. In no manner is the Kolkata police allowing BJP workers to gather. They're citing law and order, so anyone on the streets, anyone even in the metro station is now being detained.
Well, if you see the timeline of this incident, as it is the 21st day of the incident, and before this, we have seen that many political parties tried protesting against the heinous crime, and after that, the students had protested against it, the doctors protested against this, and the Chhatra Samaj also tried protesting, but there is a huge ruckus in that protest. We have all seen that. And after that, BJP has called for the Bengal Bandh for 12 hours, where the ruckus is also created in the city of Joy, in the city of Kolkata. And after that, today, BJP was also doing the dharna in Dharamtala area, the sitting dharna, and right now they have tried to visit, to go to that Bengal Women Commission office, but right now they have stopped from various places of the Salt Lake.
All right, Anirban, thanks for getting us those details. You can see once again that the Kolkata police cracking down on any attempt to protest on the streets of Kolkata.